Man, I'll go work, you know. Alright?
Yeah, okay. Have a nice day and God go with you and safe travel.
Alright, Mom.
My brother, how you walk past just stay at you? Forgot to say something.
No, it's true, I'm kind of late for work. I'm somebody else checking. They go check in. True, I'm late for work. Where you going?
So which way you work now?
Right down the road, just right down Photoshop. Photo place on the road.
Make sure say you get good pay, you know? Because bills have to pay and something. Make sure say you get good pay. Kind of make no sense you work and not make no heap of money.
Yeah, man, I look at things, everything alright. But I go rush go down there now because I don't want to leave.
Alright, so where your mother gone? How long time you live here for now? She good?
Yeah, man, she alright, man, she up there. Just left her up there on the veranda.
Later, take care of yourself.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hey, Ramon.
How that? I'm a son.
Yeah.
Well, on there, me want to talk to you. Boy, the work me talk to you about. The work the way you get, he kind of lean. The pay kind of lean.
No.
And you can help the two of it. So, try to see if you can find anything where you can get more money off of.
That may not sit but I know. I have to just go and do this, you know. I know better work today, but I don't think better work the right, yes, so which part we there. Because if you get a better work, then go ask me which part I come from and the place where I come from, then I go hire me. Because I pay so, you know that I really. And I don't want to go look at better work, but I just saw the people things.
I understand what you're trying to say, but somebody will consider you don't get a job. You understand? And you have to come off of the one you way I do right now. Fill it until you find one next one. Alright?
Yeah.
So one stay with that one there. Talk to you when you find a better one.
Alright, so I'm going to change that. Alright, though.
Yeah man, yeah man.
Alright. Morning. How go now, yeah?
Yes, I know say I have to go now, but I ask you if you have no money for you. So however small it might be, that we can prepare something for dinner later.
You know, so I have no money though. If I get paid, I get all that money. I only have money for pay me for go work and buy lunch. It's just stable me for a week or keep me. I have no money. That's why even I say when another day, I look for next work, but I try. But I have no money, so I don't even know where I going to eat today. But I see if I can get something. So we can get to eat.
And that may I say, that's why my dad tells you, you have to find one other job because the money where you give me, the grocery we buy, it can keep it till month end or 2 weeks to serve. And that's why I tell you, say, something I feel go on. But I not tell you to leave the work, I just hold on on it, so till better come.
Yeah. I'm go see what I can do. Kind of late for work, see, so. You make you know I come from work. I get something to do. Alright?
Okay.
sir. Oh, man.
We are there so early. Me just awake, you know.
No, I'm just asking me and couldn't get a check through. Last time I walked past, I said, I'm going to check you.
Ah, you done there already, so come in.
You know, so do assist me. I ask you if you know no place where you want to work because work, I like you yesterday because I really get no good pay down there. So I need more want the next work, I need to find the next work. My daughter tell me I need to find the next work because money in a whole way up 3 months, grocery short, sometimes we up there hungry. So I need the next work. You don't know no place I want to work.
How long me tell you come and me get you one good work can make you make a whole heap of money. A long time, you know, but you play hard.
Give me man, I want to man, any work, you know. Come on, more money, you know, if we can take care of more.
Alright, you see my work I do? I'm money laundering. So you see every day I come home with at least money I come home with 40,000. Every day. That's at least money I come home with.
Lie, I tell.
But me don't need to tell a lie. That's why I introduce you to this thing now.
Well, boy, that sounds good enough, but I don't really want no work with me I will get in a trouble. With me have to look behind my back every minute and I don't want that. So when you get something else, you can just tell me.
So you see me in a trouble? What do you mean by you getting in a trouble? I'm not going to get you in something where I go get in a trouble. Maybe a sister, I'm the one you have getting in a trouble. But anything you want still. If you want to continue that the work there and can provide, up to you.
I don't know them something that make me not get involved in them something. I can't even believe that you're my bigger sister, you're influenced me to go for not bad dealings.
You see how earlier come with me? You see how earlier come with me out of my bed? Make sure you say, when you're not on the money, you put your face knuckle hit me because I did tell me I try to make you get away out of this life. But it's alright, me don't talk. Me see you out. Remember me tell you now, if you pay your face, don't call me. My number not available.
Remember what I say, you get the next work, call me.
I'm not going to look at other work because I don't have your one already. Go on.
Even now.
Good evening, son.
When I work today, I tell you, I think hard. I not even know what to say. But tomorrow when I get paid, I not go back to work. I just done because it don't make no sense. I work hand to mouth. The money can't even serve for the whole month for grocery. So I just stop work. I just go out there. Or if I try to go hustling, if I that, at that. But I go look at next work in a time being. But I go try to do something different than that. Because that, I go work out for it work. And the money is strong. And the money have to be strong because you have to keep you're sick already and you meet the money you have to buy your medication and you don't go work, so I just left tomorrow.
So when you leave the work, how will I go manage?
Mommy, God will provide. God will provide. When we get paid tomorrow, we give you money to buy some little something, not done money. But and then I buy something and see if I can try to do a little something.
Boy, I advise you, make up your mind to try nothing because nowadays things slow and the pandemic and something, nothing go on. Everybody are complaining, everybody about say not now go on for them. So better you stay in the work, you know, I encourage you to stay in the work little more. And if anything at my workplace, just bear and go through. God will help you. That we can go and, you know, ping pong. Right?
Mommy, me say me I go left, you better me left. You don't make no sense me stay there. This not do no good to me right now. You better me left. Me go and send out some resume to some places and then me go and do my course thing. I never change it. You say me have nothing to eat though.
My dear, no, there, the house empty like barrel. Empty barrel.
Alright, me have this. Me have drink some water and we lie down. Because I'm hungry right now.
I will not suffer. I will not beg for bread. God is my provider. I will not beg for bread.
Evening.
Evening, dear. Why, Russian? At 2 weeks now you left the work. And you say you're hustle. And you send out resume and you're going to come. And not now go on. What the backup plan?
Mommy, you have to just have a look of faith. Have a look of faith, you know me. You know me determined and I'm not going to stop till I get one. And like say me lazy, but I sit down every minute. I go out every day, I look at work. Just have a look of faith, you know me. Right now, I come in to get a little rest and go back out, go sit down to 6 more. And right now, I do it for a man. This is left for a man night now. I come back, I want something to eat.
Go and go get something to eat. And when you go back out, carry your umbrella with you because the rain and Joe. I'm going to wish you all the best. Okay?
Alright, Mom, I go.
Mop now.
I got to here.
Oh, make sure you send no money I want to come and don't tell her I want something. I don't have everything in a body.
No, man, I work. I come to you about. I want to work.
You see, I know you're going to finally come to your senses one day now. Alright, come in as long as I know money story. You can come.
Sis, a 2 week now, I left a Photoshop right down there. So I search, I send out resume, but I get no response. But I finally come to my senses, say, I can't do no better, I have to just do it. So just tell me a procedure.
You see, I'm here tell you a long time. How long now? I tell you about 2 weeks now. I tell you now, you gotta start make millions already, you know. But yeah, my brother, I want the best for you anyway, so I'm gonna tell you what you do. Alright, so I'm tell you what this thing going on. One, you can't late for work. The next thing, you can't play the boss money. So when you go, the boss will give you a bag of money, a bag full of money. Depend, maybe like how you know you're not going to give you as much because they have to test you. Yeah. But like my brother, I'm doing this long time. And they might give you a bag of fake money. It might sound away, but yeah, might give you a bag of fake money. You go, you know, like exchange. So you take people real money. Not literally take it as in well them and take it, but you understand? So at the end of the day, you have to come in back with the real money. And I tell you this, don't pay the boss money. You know, I'm putting things, they can lose a life. And me would feel good if you know, say I'm introduced you to this, I'm a little brother, and make you come and go with a life. You understand? So don't play with the boss money at no time. Make sure so when you get money, you just go, deal with the badness, come back with the money, get your piece of food and I eat that. So tell me if I know you still want to do it or what?
Your mom is still interested, man. Just tell me when you can start.
Alright, tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock, meet me at 9 o'clock, you know?
Yeah.
Not 9:01.
Yeah, man.
Meet me at tomorrow 9 o'clock. And we start.
Alright, so 9 o'clock tomorrow.
Alright, and take care. Tell your mother I love me, yeah? Alright.
Mommy. You get that work.
You get that work for you? Which part?
Yeah, man. We get that work right down there, so. Right, I don't know if you know it. I remember for sure what. Then pay good a week. Then double the money when I there work around, so. So I'm go start tomorrow bright and early. See me tell you, God always make things work out, mommy, see? God work out things.
That's so good,
Yeah.
thank you, Jesus.
You have to get money now. Now you buy grocery for the whole month. See? You make your right choice, mommy, see? You keep on sending them out and see finally get through now.
What time you go work?
Round 9 they said. Round 9:30 then time.
Action.
9 o'clock, I go work, 9 o'clock. So I'm going to wash out some clothes now so they can get to dry so they can wear it tomorrow. Alright, because
Alright, my dear.
yeah, mommy, I go out now.
Oh, Trashan, what kind of clothes them they wear go work? You don't look right.
No, man, mommy, I have clothes on my back when I'm retired. I just change. I have one long pants and a shirt. Because I go lift up black cement and paint, all kind of stuff.
Oh, what call me that one day we are going to shorts. Alright.
Yeah, so I go to school there now because I know I live.
Alright, take care.
Yeah.
First in your life, I see you early. Because when you work down so, every morning I see you pass, you say you late.
No, man, I say the boss not like late. So I just get up early, do what I do and come down.
Alright, at least you listen. Come on. I'm tired. So how was your first day? You like it?
Yeah, but what I said? No matter what, look, me never make so much money down so me I work. Now one day.
Me nah tell you, man. Me I tell you say a long time me there in this, you know. So when me I tell you something, you must know. So you ready for tomorrow?
Yeah, man, so tomorrow again, same time.
Well, boss, I'm going to tell you what time tomorrow because maybe we'll go different times. We're not going to go same time every day, understand? All you have to do, me I beg you, please just be loyal to your boss. Be loyal because that man ramping come and take money, isn't it? So just be loyal, play game good and everything will good, isn't it?
Yeah, man, you know me loyal already, man, so tomorrow, same.
Alright, and make sure you pay bills and buy things for your mother.
Yeah, man, I'll go out and care, man.
Yeah, man, take care.
Yeah. No, woman. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, what's work today? Everything alright?
Yeah, mommy, everything work out with the place nice. You can give free lunch, you co-worker, then kind to you. Everything nice, mommy.
I'm glad to hear that. But what we are going for dinner this evening?
Mommy, you not even have to cook today. Me make 10 grand tip today. So if you want to cook, you cook. If you want to go buy, you buy.
But Roshan, I don't understand. The first day you're gonna work you make $10,000.
And I get paid now, mommy. A people like me help them put up cement in a van back and names in there. Then give me a money. So I come to that $10,000.
$10,000?
Yeah.
Tip come to $10,000? That sounds strange.
Mommy, I be a rich people who live in a scheme them. We come buy cement, all kind of stuff. And I'll follow one old lady and she give me $1,000 tip. $1,000 tip, you know? Just show you say people them kind. I just see through them see me hard working, that's why.
Alright, I'm gonna change my clothes and I'm gonna buy Kentucky now.
Yeah.
I love time I don't eat nothing like that, you know.
Yeah. Alright, maybe I'll just sit down.
Alright. Roshan, why you dress up so I go to work? Every day you dress up in your good clothes them I go to work. It's true, say I wear work you do.
What do you mean by if I don't work, I go, I tell you say I have clothes in my bag. Then I go, I change. Stop thinking I work, I go, I tell you, you don't believe me? I work, I go.
Roshan,
Yeah.
make sure you talk through, you know. But if you get in any trouble, I meet out the pan and tell look bad for me. Understand?
Yes. Yeah, mommy, I say I work, I work, so, we see you later.
Alright, take care.
Yeah.
Yo, I'd be a good compliment me I get from you, get both you know. Boss say I go and good, so here you see today a big day, a holy permission we have to go on today. So, hope you ready for them man.
Yeah, man, I'm ready, man, as you say. The boss like in the loyal and in the trouble money, so that me I work with, as you say.
Yeah, but me not go to the same place them today now, about what time see? About 3 o'clock before me I go link up back and go to the same place. So you know saying at that time me not there with you. Remember to stay loyal and just continue the way I do, isn't it? Alright, so guess what? Boss tell me a few things to tell you. Alright, you see, in a one parish, not go too much places. Yeah. So you go I say with the Portland, I got Janton, I got Anchovy. No go nowhere else. Can see some illegal we do. So those 2 places or maybe 3 depending on how big the parish is. And we just cut out of that the parish because we can't afford to get catches, isn't it?
Yeah, man, I understand what you say, man, because you go too much place and we suspect what go on. So, how much I go today?
As me tell you, I know one place. So, just check your phone. Me go send everything to your phone. And good luck. If anything, yeah, me always there, so you can always call me. So, me go leave now.
Let's let me know.
Alright then.
Good evening.
Oh, I'm there.
Roshan, come sit down, want something to talk to you. Hold Roshan. Me go to the hardware where you say I work. And then say they don't know nobody named Roshan names. So what one?
You go to the hardware today?
Yes.
No, man, me gone up on delivery or something.
If you are work at hardware for such a time, then you must know your name.
No, they don't know me as Russian. Tucker then call me down the Tucker. I Tucker me give them name. They don't know Russian names.
Make sure you know. Alright?
Yeah, man. I'm going to go lie down because I'm kind of tired. How are you cook?
Salt mackerel and dumpling.
Oh, my favorite yet. I'm going to lie down. The place look nice, sis.
Of course, one nice place,
Nice. Boy, sis, me not even know if to thank you right now because if I never you, I wouldn't there so right now. I would have still there stuck down and chop down myself. I not even know if to say right now, but maybe can give you something now, but when the business them start get bigger, you will get something.
And me tell you, you see, if you do this in a long time, you would all have 2 pens park up on a nice parking space you have out there, so.
I know a time, man.
A time for true.
Yeah, man, a time, man. So, where you going with them now? Where you stay?
You know, me there, yesterday I go look at one piece of land. So, I go buy that piece of land there too. But you know, I not too push down because I have my house and everything. So, I just buy the land there and maybe rent it out or turn it our Airbnb or something. But, you know, I feel just do what I have to do. Now, where you cook?
No, man, some breakfast I look for, man, and then I go link my mother. So, you want to eat already?
No, I'm not eat it. I'm like, alright, time I come, so.
Alright, but stay there and then you can yes.
Alright, then. I'll go there, so.
Every day I rate yard. You can pay somebody to build up yard for you, mommy.
Me not have nothing to do. And me don't want to sit down and worry myself. So I find something to do to occupy my time. And money we have to waste. We about pay people for look more yard.
Alright, right, mommy. Anyways, you're not going to move in with mommy. And me want down at house, you know?
A 2 months you don't work at Cynthia go work at Albion and below us already. Me don't want to move in with you because me not sure what I want with you.
And me don't want to know say me there when the thing say a peace and safety or sudden destruction. Me don't want nobody kill me. Me too old and know. I want to live my life.
You love worry yourself too much, man. Nothing now going down there, me alone down there. Which people mix up with? And me alone down there go to work and come back home and go back to work. Me alone. No, company. You know me no love friend thing.
Me no want move in no big house with you. Me alright, right to shop me there. Me well relaxed, me well comfortable in my house, in my church, read my Bible and pray. And when me no have nothing else to do, I lay down and rest and sleep. I'm quite comfortable.
Alright, so if I say so, then I go. I even come look for what's like back down in the house because some man I work and sit downstairs, so I have to back before they reach. You alright, Joe?
Yeah.
Me and your son have a phone and never son so good at all, so tell me what going.
Sis, I have left the business. Because look why I go up with my mother and I tell her some more she move in with me. But she has said she don't want to get involved in what I do and she disappointed in me.
Action.
She know I not even want to lie to my mother and I have to tell my mother lie. So I tell her say she will come move in with me. She'll be paranoid and say this, that. She don't know what I do to build house.
But me I tell you now, it's not easy to come outside now.
No man, more left. I have to left. I just want to make things right with my mother. I don't want to lie to my mother. I never lie to my mother yet.
I understand what you're saying now, but you see my boss is one dangerous man. And anyway they will find you. And me no want nothing to you. I'm a little brother. I understand everything when I say if I contact to your mother, wish me know she not gonna listen to me. But you have to think again.
You can't talk to her because she don't know say you me work with her. I tell her say hardware me work. And now she don't know say me work with it. Plus they don't know which part me there. Unless you go tell them which part me there. A new place me there so they can't find me.
You don't know that man. It's that man, and so they come on to your money, he will find means and ways up to get to you. And I that me a try run from my problem because guess what now? You see if you go do that now, he might pray me. You understand? Boy, I not even know what to say no more.
Listen, me just tell her, you could just no come back, but me tell her say me I left, so just take care of yourself.
Why no? All depends on what you want to come in for.
Stop going, sir. Let me come inside. I want to talk to you.
Come now.
Where brother there?
You just come in at my house and I ask my brother there.
Well, let's see. You know your boss rules. You can't just easily cut out so. 2 weeks now your brother not come in and you alone been not come and work. The boss say, you never say nothing. And the boss say, no, you have to deal with this and you send me to deal with it. And you know me no laugh and chat. So just tell me where your brother there.
Listen, I'm in my house today. So you're going to take time to talk to me. At 2 weeks now, I'm not hear from my brother, I'm not see my brother. When you take me, I call him phone, me I call him mother phone, me I call everybody for him, and I not get to him. So what you expect me to do?
Let's see. A serious time now, and a time to play a game. And you know when our boss and we go to work already.
So is either you will give up your brother location or you know what will reach you?
What gonna reach me? So you're threatening me in my house? No, this a girl bread. What gonna reach me? Give up my brother location and me don't know when there. First thing first, if me even there give something, just the tone we come off of, me not give nothing.
Ready?
Alright, Lacey. Alright. Me I left your place. But remember what me tell you here?
I think you better do that for you. Come on, Dad. Right. Boy, I mean, tell you. Rashan, which part you there? Me tell you, say never so easy to come out and not say the boss send the girl up here. I check the girl, I check them in my house and I say if me not give up your location, what them gonna do to me? But they tell you, brother, me just sorry say me get you in this. Brother, just come. You need to find me out right now. Alright, hurry up. Jesus Christ.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. How can I help you?
Oh, sorry. Hi, my name is Sarah Hill. I'm from the hardware that Rashawn work. I'm wondering if you're his mom, right?
Yes, I do.
Oh, so he called in sick today, so I'm wondering, he said he can't come in work because he's sick, so I'm wondering if he's here or where is he?
Sorry to say that he's not living here anymore. So you can check down a lane in Port Antonio that they call Kenya Lane.
Oh, he doesn't live here anymore?
No.
Oh, alright. Thank you. Sorry about that. Have a good day. I'll be going now.
You're welcome.
Yeah, bossy. I find him now. I get it from the mother. Hurry yourself, man. I know what tricks him. I tell him mother like say I hardware my work. In the whisper to one of them boy one time the year on the camera around my back room. Yes, I'm gonna go there as the boss from the hardware. Yeah, alright, so proceed, right? Alright, now so far we call him when the work done. Alright, boss.
Where you get yourself now? You're in a big trouble, you know. Me tell you, say never so easy to come out of this thing, you know.
We are talking about 2 weeks me left for work and nobody now look for me. Me alright to spam me there. What happened now?
Better stop take this thing for joke and a joke thing right here so you girl come and set up in them house and check me, you know. Say if me not give up your location. Or me give up your location, say I'm little brother, me not want nothing deal. Me rather put my life on the line for this. So just why me even know what to tell you now?
Listen, sis, nothing happened to me. Alright, now two things are up. Me get a little thing for myself to protect me. So if they want to come at me, come look for me in my yard, me prepare for them.
Brother, you think I saw this thing go me and tell you, say, I boss sweat about no, that man have links everywhere, no. Ooh, you don't know. That man
you look like a bad man. A bad man. So me come out I work and you can't come out, you're stuck in there. You're a bad man, me through me I live my life and me get alright and me have money and me have business and you stuck in a job. Me come in and left you. And that, you know, me come to me.
What on?
The
Me?
red one.
Bad man?
Bad man.
I'm here to try to protect you. It's alright. Jesus Christ, I'm try to protect my little brother, you know. God, what me I'm going to do?
Morning, mommy.
Morning. What are going now?
Well, not really I go on, you know, me just come up and I come get and check. You alright?
Yes, me alright. But I wonder about you right now. Because I don't know what I'm going to do because your boss come here to me and ask me about you. And he say you're calling sick. So, yeah, we never turn up for work.
Me? Me left that they work there 2 weeks ago. One man or a woman?
One woman. And she asked me which part to live. And me tell her. So she go come check what go on with you.
What? Or if you give them a location, mommy, you not even know who is who. You give it. You can't even talk right now. I trouble you put me in.
Rashan! Lord have mercy. Why you put yourself in a? Mighty God.
Sis. Well, welcome to the place. I have some of that. You know what I mean? So,
Like you want, can I sit down?
sit down like this one. Well, I ask you something, but you know, yesterday I moved too fast. We are go along for 1 week and add now, and we go on date, and you see, we get together nice. So, I ask you if you could move in with me. Because I'm alone there, and my mother no really want to move in with me. So, I ask you if you can move in with me. Come stay, as you can see, place nice, everything there, you're comfortable and everything. So, I say.
Well, that sounds like one nice offer still, yes, but we don't have movie every day, it's not too fast. Time short anyways, and we don't know what we happen, so we just get at it. We don't have no problem, it's fine with me.
Well, that sounds good. So what I'm going to do, I can't meet my mother now.
Say it again.
Well, I can't go meet my mother now.
No man, that's not necessary man. You don't have to meet her now. Because we got a long time, I'm moving with us. I'm going to my house, pack some stuff and then we can come. We can go look for your mother tomorrow. That's not really necessary for now man. Just let me get the key and we move and stuff. When you come back later to me and then we can.
Alright, so see Kiera, don't last see that. I know you're responsible. We can see it in your face.
It's all about either.
This.
Alright, so you can
Don't last the key.
No, last man. Go and go with your mother. Just call me, alright?
Alright.
Yo, bossy. Yo, man, everything on set, man. Sorry, I never called you for you over 1 week, but I have to go and tweet him up and sit and go up and hold heap of data and so now I asked me for movie with him. So I told him I got to do it. I do with him, sister, man. Alright. When everything done, me link you.
I have 2 businesses now, and them I go success. Them I go good as far as me say. One marine to Waka, Jackama and them sitting there. Give people, and next one we have a laundry place so people can wash their clothes and pay. You understand? So them I go, alright. And the reason why I left hard there work, I go there to get to better myself. I go there, I save, I open a business, then I left, them save again, and I open the next business. So now me alright, you have a girlfriend down there, more you meet her soon.
Well, I'm glad to know say you get one business for yourself, and I wish you all the best. But one thing though, a girlfriend business, you have to be careful nowadays because there are young people there, they don't go and eat out your money. They don't have no love for you because they see you step up in their life, they're ready for things well then, you know. So you have to be careful.
No, man, I not think so. I just want to meet her. She cool. But anyway, I go Kiera one day to come meet her and I can wait for more and things. So I'm going to have something for the date, so I'll see you later.
Alright, take care.
Alright.
Are you make a look right now? Because I just come from here the end of one day.
My mother did there around them, I come from me, I come go up and wait till dinner. Come girlfriend cook.
You know, so you take everything for joke and I take nothing serious now. Which girlfriend you talk about cook food for you? When you get girlfriend?
The other day I meet one girl and I carry her up a yard. Just talk to me a while ago, say more she meet her and something, but she said she not really like girlfriend thing and all kind of stuff. But I not really pay that no mind to. I just see that.
All these girls stay. Which girlfriend? All these girls stay.
I'm brown because man, she nice, she have pink color and red in her hair. Kind of reddish, but she cool, man. You can make a meet her one night time, then, man.
Me? Meet her? You don't know where I get yourself in, you know? You really don't know where I get yourself in. You know, say, that pink hair girl, you know, say, boss woman.
Which boss woman? Man, you see, everything me tell you want to turn my mind against the girl and you know, meet her yet. You see, a bad mind, you know.
Rashan, shut your mouth. Me I tell you, say, you really don't know where you get yourself in, you know? Let me tell you something. What me I gonna do now? Alright, here plan. You go grow on. Because I have to get rid of that girl, you know? Because if we not get rid of her, she'll get rid of we. You go grow on and you go tell her, say, you not go for one date 6 o'clock. I want to meet me on Campbell Avenue 6 o'clock. Right at the greenhouse, that's so? You know which greenhouse me talk?
Yeah.
Right on Campbell Avenue. And we get rid of her, I the body from the boss. Because if we not get rid of her, she'll get rid of we.
Boy, sis, me never know say she. How if you know say she? Me see a nice girl and me look her and me get her. Me don't know say she. I'm sorry, me never listen to you, you know. Me go do as you say, when the plan done, me call her.
Alright, just calm down, you understand? Me I go deal with it, me I deal with it, and then later, we try to get that out of the way, you understand?
So me call her.
Alright, take care.
When you come back quick, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm married, I have a little chat.
Oh, share.
Yeah, but when we come back, we find a place around Campbell Avenue, a nice restaurant where you can go have dinner later.
That's nice.
So you have to go home, I have to go for clothes.
No, I'm going for my
I'm
clothes already.
phone.
I'm going for your
Charge.
clothes already.
We charge.
Me want to hug my hand most of us. Do you feel like you could have hurt me? Me here will on the plan. Yeah, boss, you done. Yeah, man, you did. Did like a dog. My sister never had a plan for camera or something. Campbell Avenue go deal with me before whatever. I didn't know how they might be. Alright, so I'm gonna just wrap up this and change the clothes and go deal with my sister. Yeah, man, just pick up when we're done. Alright. boss no like traitor here. Good evening.
Good evening, miss. I hope my son come both again, you know, because my son now work at hardware again. So what is your problem?
Miss Valerie, sorry to say, but I am a detective. That hardware thing was a setup. I was investigating a son, but I can't talk it outside. Can I come in?
Yes, you may.
Thank you.
You can have a seat if you wish.
Alright, so Miss Valerie, let me properly introduce myself. My name is Detective Thompson. I work with the police. This is my ID. Your son Roshan, he has been dealing with some bad people, gun business, money laundering, fake money washing. I was investigating him the time that I came here. Remember that time? And I told him that I am a boss at the hardware. I am sorry about that, but I never want to talk about the investigation at that time. Now you are in serious problem. He found out that the police was investigating him. He left the country. But the people that he was working with, they are still searching for him right now, and they are out for his blood. So I went to his place. He wasn't there, clear out everything. He had some money leave though, which you would have to come down to the station and we'll hand it over to you. You would have to leave the country. You can't stay here. It's too dangerous for you. And if they don't find him, they will come for you.
Lord of mercy, what is this for me now? Oh my Russian put me in, oh my God,
Miss, calm down, calm down. I am very sorry. I'm truly sorry about that. But just please come down to the station with me, please.
Yes, Mom.